Hello and welcome everybody. Nikola stock or Nikola stock on this time. Okay, let's see how can we see the price prediction here. If you are new to this video, don't forget to like, subscribe. So it's going to be fine if you are trader on Nikola. Okay, or Nikola. So I think this is going to be the price that we has reached right now, and we are on the usage of 1 day update. So that's going to be important right now to listen that the Nikola stock will absolutely increase in any period of the next months. Maybe it would increase in the middle of 2023 and take too much time to increase that because Nikola has now stopped its investment for a period, okay, for a temporary period, and then this will be the increase in momentum next time. And that what can I say on this video about Nikola stock.